Hey all, it's Unbiased here. In today's video, we'll see the best alternative out there for Canva. You might have all used Canva and found that a lot of the images and other assets are premium feature only. That might be frustrating, as in the middle of the design you would find certain assets that you want to use and are premium feature. So the best alternative for Canva, where you can make all your designs for free, is Microsoft Designer. So let's get straight into it. So just Google Microsoft Designer and you'll be greeted with this page where you can see a lot of inspiration works by other people that you can use for your work as well. And it's just like Midjourney, where you give in your text prompt and it will create a design based on the text prompt that you give. Based on the text prompt, it will try to generate an AI modified version of your design. You can click on this option right here and you can draw your own designs from scratch. So you can just drag and drop elements just like you would do in Canva. You can also import videos and photos of your own or select the pre-made ones. And the best part about Microsoft Designer over Canva is it has an inbuilt AI wherein you can give prompts to generate images for you that you can use in your designs. These are all copyright-free images that you can use and post anywhere on the internet. And if you like the content so far, for finding more alternative websites and apps for other things that you normally use, then do give this channel a sub, because I'll be making more such videos. Till then, see you all in the next one.